Why? You should have to educate it. Education is the key to unlocking your full potential and creating a brighter future. By pursuing education, you embark on a journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and empowerment. Education equips you with knowledge, skills, and critical thinking abilities that are essential in today's complex and dynamic world. It opens doors to a wide area of opportunities, enabling you to pursue your positions and aspirations. Education enhances your employability, broadens your horizons, and equips you with the tools to adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing society. It fosters creativity, innovation, and problem-solving skills, enabling you to contribute meaningfully to your chosen field. Moreover, education promotes social awareness, empathy, and active citizenships, empowering you to make a positive impact in your community. Ultimately, investing in your education is an investment in yourself and your future, offering endless possibilities for personal fulfillment, professional success, and the chance to create a better world.